Next, the permeameter in a permeability test setup involves a cylindrical soil sample 40 mm in diameter and height 200 mm. The hydraulic head of the test was held constant at 300 millimeters. In a duration of 1 minute, the water collected in the graduated cylinder was recorded at 1.5 liters. Evaluate the coefficient of permeability of the soil sample. So, pinapahanap lang dito yung K. So to answer, because this is constant head test, no? So, ayan. So dahil sa term na to, held constant, so definitely this is a constant head test. So the formula for K as derived before is volume L over TAH. Ayan. Okay? So isa-isahin lang natin yung given. So binigyan tayo ng permeameter. Um, na cylindrical. So cylindrical siya. So ibig sabihin kung ganito yung setup natin, ba ganyan yun eh. Tapos let's say ito yung water head. Ayan. Tapos meron ditong soil. Meron dyan soil. No? Tapos andito yung tubig natin sa kabila. Okay, so ito yung water. Okay, so lalabas ito yung tubig. So kinolekta siya ng graduated cylinder. Ayan, so ito yung water collected. At inoorasan natin yan, ano? Kung gaano yung katagal. And according to the problem, the volume of water collected is actually 1.5 liters, no, in a time or duration of 1 minute, or that is 60 seconds. Okay? So, dito kailangan lang kabisado natin na for 1,000 liters, that is equivalent to 1 liter. Kasi kailangan ng sagot natin naka-centimeter eh. So for 1 liter, that is equivalent to 1,000 cubic centimeter. Okay? Para mamaya pag nag-convert, mas mabilis. Now, for the area, so okay na tayo dito. May time na tayo. May volume na ng water collected. Yung area natin will be dependent on the cross-sectional area nitong permeameter. So, cross-sectional area niya, dahil sinabi niya naman na circular, edi bilog lang yan. Tapos binigay naman yung diameter. The diameter is 40 mm. Okay? Tapos binigay rin yung height. Okay? Yan yung magiging L natin, yung height, which is 200 mm. Okay? So, now, definitely we can compute the area kasi lalabas ngayon yung area ng cross-section ay pi over 4 diameter squared. No? So, meron na tayo nito. Tapos meron na rin tayo nito. So, yung h na lang. So, sabi niya, um, 300 mm daw yung constant head. So, ibig sabihin, ito yun. From here up to here, yan yung H, which is 300 mm. So, therefore, we can now solve for K. So, K is equal to volume, 1.5 liters para maging cubic centimeter. Mag-multiply lang tayo ng 1,000 over 1 liter. Okay? And then L. So, kailangan kasi naka-centimeter eh. So, para maging centimeter itong um, itong L, so tandaan natin na 1 cm is equivalent to 10 millimeters. Ayan. So, ibig sabihin, itong Etong 300 mm is equivalent to 30 centimeters. Ito namang length ay 20 centimeters. Etong diameter is 4 centimeters. Okay, so that means this is 30 over time, which is 60 seconds, kasi kailangan din naka per second. And then the area is pi over 4 times 4 squared. Tapos yung um, h natin is 30. Sorry. Yung L pala natin, 20, sorry. 20 pala to. Ito yung 30. Ayan. Okay? So, solving, we have 1.5 times 1,000 times 20 over 60 times pi over 4 times 4 squared times 30. Okay, and that gives us approximately 1.33 centimeter per second. Okay? So, again, no, ito naging centimeter cube. Ito centimeter. Ito centimeter. Ito centimeter squared. Ito seconds. So, mangyayari, etong 2 centimeter na to magiging centimeter cube. So, magka-cancel sila dito. So, may iwan na units ay centimeter per second. Okay, so our answer here would be letter D.